Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.1, Problem 6. This is Section 4.1, Problem 6. It says write each ratio as a fraction in simplest form. And Part A says 20 people live in 5 houses. So we have 20 people over 5 houses. Now, in this case, our units or labels don't cancel. The numbers can cancel, so the 20 and the 5 can both be divided by 5. So 5 goes into 20 4 times. 5 goes into 5 once. So we have 4 people for every 1 house. Or we could say 4 people per house. So that's part A. B, 3 storms in 15 days. So the 3 storms will be in the numerator of our fraction. And 15 days in the denominator. Now again, my units don't, or labels don't cancel, but the 3 and the 15 will reduce. Both will reduce by 3. 3 divides into 3 once, so you'd have 1 storm. And 3 goes into 15 5 times, so 5 days. 1 storm over 5 days, or basically 1 storm every 5 days is what it would come out to. The next one, 120 nails in 10 boards. So 120 nails would be the numerator, 10 boards the denominator. And again, the numbers will reduce, but the labels won't. So they're both divisible by 10, or in other words, you can just cancel the zeros, really. 10 divides into 120 12 times, so you'd have 12 nails. And 10 divides into 10 just once. 12 nails over 1 board. Or basically 12 nails in every board. And the last one, 40 pounds of fertilizer for 6 acres of land. So it'd go 40 pounds. Over 6 acres. And again, the numbers will reduce. They're both even, so we'll cut them in half. So half of 40 is 20. It'd be 20 pounds. And half of 6 is 3. So 3 acres. So you're going to use 20 pounds of fertilizer for every 3 acres of land. And that's number 6.